Action.
No! Are you okay, Bill?
Yes, I am, Jack.
I think I have a broken horseshoe.
Let me see your horseshoe. Yep, we need to get to a blacksmith. Fast!
We found a blacksmith shop.
Hello, what would you need today?
We need horseshoes.
I don't have it. Do you have nails so we can build our own horseshoes?
No.
You're the worst blacksmith ever.
You stupid!
What do you have?
A forge.
That's
What's a forge? What's a forge, mister?
It's a place where I can cook you.
That's not nice. You stink. You stink, you poop head.
You're never coming back again!
Yeah.
I don't care. Don't let this happen to you again.
Come down to DCS's Blacksmith shop, where our prices are great. We have nails of all size that can fit any hole, and we have the best horseshoes in town. We also have the best tongs in town, and anvils. So if you want some good nails or metal objects, come down to our blacksmith shop.
We're the hottest.